How to access Snapchat memories on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can access your Snapchat memories on a computer. You can either use Snapchat for web or an Android emulator. So to use Snapchat for web, you need to go to web.snapchat.com. Now you need to simply go ahead and log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, click on the Bitmoji or the profile icon, which is in the top left corner of your screen. You'll get different options, but you can see that there is no option for data or memories. So you need to go ahead and tap on account settings. This will open a new tab. From this page, tap on My Data option. Simply choose memories or select other data that you want, and then scroll down and tap on Next. Now tap on Submit. Choose a date range and confirm your email address, and then tap on Submit to request your data. Snapchat will email you a download link when your data is ready. Download the zip file and open it to see your memories. This download includes both snaps and stories. Now another thing you can do is you can use an emulator. For that, you can go ahead and download BlueStacks or any other emulators. For that, you need to download the emulator on your device, and then you can go ahead and access Snapchat application over there. This will also let you access your memories. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.